Welcome. Today we're having a conversation with Michael Brown, Honeywell Connected Plant. Uh, Michael, thank you for joining us.
Yeah, thanks, Mark. It's great to be here.
So we're hearing a lot about companies leveraging the IoT, and we want to know what Honeywell's doing in that space.
Yeah, so Honeywell's doing some exciting things. We have formed a new part of the organization called Honeywell Connected Plant, HCP. When we've talked to our customers about what they're looking for in the whole IoT digital transformation space, we realized that we could do a much better job serving their needs by taking our advanced solutions software, combining it with UOP expertise, domain expertise, and a lot of the IoT developments that we've been putting together over the last years. And by combining these three things together, we think it's actually much better for us and much better for our customers and our ability to serve them along what they're trying to do in the area of reliability, productivity, performance improvement, performance monitoring in their plants. So the Honeywell Connected Plant is really about us being able to drive the solutions and the offerings in the area of connected people, connected assets, and connected process.
Okay, well, there's a lot of software involved. Is Honeywell becoming a software company?
You know, we actually are a software company already today. So if you look at Honeywell, about 50% of Honeywell engineers today are in some way writing software. They're writing code. So we write a lot of software in the area of plant connectivity. We write a lot of software in the area of sensors, control systems, up into optimization technologies and optimization solutions that we have at the advanced solutions there. So there's a tremendous amount of software being written in the organization. Really what we're now doing is taking that software and combining that software with the domain expertise of an organization such as UOP or Honeywell domain expertise, so we can better deliver that software in a way that we can combine it with the physical models and whatnot in our plants in order to really help our customers achieve the performance they're looking for in their plants. And that's not different than what that Honeywell is looking to do across all their enterprises. So Honeywell has a very strong software initiative. We're calling it the Connected Enterprise, and whether we're looking at connected homes, whether we're looking at connected buildings or connected plants, it's really leveraging the same strategies at Honeywell, which are all anchored by world-class software.
Great. So what are your customers saying?
Yeah, so the customers are looking for a couple of things. The first thing the customers are saying is, look, this concept of the IoT software, digital connectivity, they're finally starting to see that some organizations who have really embarked on this are seeing some real big improvements. They're changing the way they're actually doing predictive maintenance. They're changing the way they're supporting and managing their assets. So the proof points are now there and companies are seeing them. And most companies are leveraging or starting to create these initiatives called smart operations or the connected plant or factory of the future. So the initiatives are all being created in the organization. And companies are looking for help and support on how to actually deliver that, right? And one of the things that they're realizing is it's not just about software. It's not just about connectivity with IoT. It's about leveraging those things in combination with domain expertise. And that's why we brought together UOP's domain expertise, which really are the experts on how to run and optimize plants, right? So this is really a nice combination for us.
Okay, so finally, as you look down the road, what do you see, what's exciting about the future in this area?
Yeah, two things that are really coming up. Number one, this whole concept of the digital twin. Again, if we look at solutions that we have, such as connected performance services, we call it CPS, where we take UOP understanding and knowledge of how to operate a facility, how to operate an oil refinery. We can connect the plant's information to a model. We can create a digital twin of that model online up in the cloud. We can then use UOP's knowledge to look at that digital twin representation and offer advice back to the customer on what really the opportunities are on a day-to-day basis for them to run their plants better. Okay? That's a whole new way to actually serve up expertise and knowledge to the customers so that they can optimize their facilities in a better way, really leveraging software, leveraging connectivity, leveraging UOP domain expertise. That's the power of HCP and the Honeywell Connected Plant. The second thing that is really exciting that I'm seeing is this concept of the open ecosystem. So if you look at Honeywell, what we've been doing for years is really connecting data through the control systems, through the assets in the plant. there's a lot of people that have some really good ideas on how to help maintain and better manage those operations of their equipment. So we can open up our systems to people like compressor manufacturers, turbine manufacturers, catalyst manufacturers, so that they can get the data from the plant. They can use our Honeywell Connected Plant infrastructure and platform and be part of a partner ecosystem that can actually easily now deliver their value to the customer through that plant-enabled or that software or connectivity-enabled platform that we can offer with our customers. So really opening up the ecosystem, working together to better serve the customers with software and really good domain expertise.
Wow, great. Thank you very much for joining us.
Yeah.
Thank you for joining us as well. This has been a conversation with Michael Brown, Honeywell Connected Plant.